Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about larkspur, also known as Consolida Ambigua. It's a beautiful perennial from the Mediterranean. So larkspur is native to the Mediterranean area, so northern Africa and southern Europe. And so they like coastal climates the best. And they can handle quite a lot of cold temperatures as well. And they're hardy from zone 7 to 11. So in colder climates, you'd have to bring them in, and in milder climates, they can be left outside. Now, botanists in the past have treated them as a species of delphinium, but now they've been changed into their own family of larkspur or Consolida. And the name Consolida was bestowed in the Middle Ages in recognition of the plant's use in the healing of wounds, because they believed to help clotting or consolidation of the blood, they would put larkspur right onto the wound or give larkspur right to the person orally. Now, they're mostly derived from different types of species, and the Consolida ambigua is related to the Consolida ajacis, which includes many strains mostly grown as the mixed colors. So the best way to start larkspur is by seed in the spring, and then they'll bloom beautifully through the summer, and then they die back in the fall. And so you can save the seeds and start them next spring, but you live in zone 7 or warmer, they'll come back on their own each year. They like full hot sun and lots of room to grow, and they're a great cut flower lasting 2 or 3 weeks. They're a beautiful addition to your garden.